Alright, I came here to fish a little spillway. Main target species Bigmouth Sleeper. I saw some fish topwater action over here. I came over through my lure a minute and I looked down and I saw what I think is a Bigmouth Sleeper just sitting right down there below, hiding in rocks like gobies do. So I'm going to drop this down, not on his head, not in front of him, work it towards him. See if he takes it. Do it slow as I can, so he does not think anything of it. He's ignoring it. The worm is 1 inch from his... the worm just reached out and touched him in the face. The worm literally reached out his tail, or not, it's his head portion, and touched him in the face, and he just did it again. Well, and he spooked him, of course. Well, now he's in the shade. Maybe that'll make him feel a little more comfortable. To bite. Oh, he's got it. He took it. He took it. One. I got a circle on there because I can't rear back from up here. I'll let him munch on it a little bit. He's got it. Oh yeah, he's on it. Oh, I took it out of his mouth. Did he split the whole area? Oh no. That, kids, is what patience is not about. Oh, that was so stupid. Oh, he's back. He's back. He's eyeballing my sinkers. Let me get the worm back under the rock there. Maybe that worm's too big for him. He's not that big. He's only about 10 inches. He's moving in. Yeah, I bet he's going to be very... oh, it just moved a couple inches. He's going to be very wary this time. Oh, he's under. He's under there. He went under where the worm is, but I can see the worm. It's not in his mouth. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. If he takes it, I think he's just hiding. I don't think he's going to take it again now that I literally had him hooked. But he didn't totally bug out, so maybe there's a shot. Yeah, he didn't take it and he bugged out. So sick. I can't believe I found my target species. I presented it perfectly, got him to take it, and then he's going under the rock. And it was kind of a moment of truth. I'm not really sure how I didn't hook him. I think it was the angle. I needed to get the angle lower. Brother. I don't know. I'll throw this out there now and see. Whatever. I saw a big cichlid, blah, blah, blah. Big gar, blah, blah. Who cares? I got too many sinkers on there because I put on an extra sinker to keep the bobber from spooking him. Again, just everything right, and I screwed up the finish. You gotta have every piece right, you know, to catch it. And that's one of the rarest native fish in the country, you know? Oh, I actually have a gar right now. I don't know how that just happened. Oh, a nice spotted gar. That was the gar I saw, so at least I can target one. There we go. Got him completely out of the water. And I did not want to touch him, so that's a perfect release. Perfect. Alright, I'm hoping when I come back, that sleeper is still there. Species 5 for the day. Right, this will be the spot that maybe gets me to 10 for the 9th straight day. Maybe not. We'll see. That gives me 5. Ugh, had 6 in a new life species on the hook. All Alright, I'm gonna go hit the spot I intended to originally. There are some mines, big mines it looks like. Could be spotted, but I think the mines right here on beds. Didn't realize there were mines here. And I'm gonna try to get them on the frustration bite in a minute because they're looking right at me. But there's some huge snook that just swam off. Hoping to get them or something. Anything on my spinner here. Got a few micro fish lures and not so micro, kind of medium lures. Something's messing with my crawler out there. Oh, what was that? Holy crap. I don't know what that was. Let's see if he'll come back. Alright, this scoots more course. And let's just drive around out there. Try and get him this time. Something. Not very big. Bluegill? Come on. Oh, that tilapia's just staring at mine cichlid. He's got it in his mouth. It's like he's trying to hurt it. I got him. Species 6. Oh. Oh, he's gone. The bluegill, probably. Yep. Mine's away. Sheesh. He's killing bass. Interesting markings. A big bluegill. That bass wanted him. He wanted a piece of that bluegill. That's not a bad gill. It's gonna die. Yeah. He's not gonna make it again. Come on, man. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, especially his head's got some nice shades. Oh, nice red tail. Oh, I don't know. Another bluegill. Yeah, nice size though. Another bluegill. Keep him, I guess, because he's swallowed it again. Oh. Oh, there goes one right now. Oh, that looks like a mine. That's really nicely marked up bluegill. Oh, that's a pretty thing. Hey GoPro, thanks for joining in. Wow, this is just an amazing looking fish. Oh, 20% of my battery too. Great. Oh, it's got so many colors. Oh boy. Oh man. GoPro will not pick it up. I'd be lucky to get my hand in here. 2 wild turkeys up there on the shore. That's awesome. They're fish. I could go over there and have them not bite. I also understand I only need 4 more species to get 9 straight days of 10 species plus. I am in that. I am in it to win it. Whatever this is, unless it's bluegills. Oh, it's too deep. Unless it's bluegills, they'll just bite anything, anytime, anywhere. The darkness is apparently thick enough not to spook the cichlids. The cowardly little cichlids. People are afraid of everything. I wish I would have got that mine for a picture. There's one. Oh, I don't think that was a jewel. I think that was a Jack Dempsey. Oh, and I'm sitting there. There's one. Idiot. That was chocolatey brown. What an idiot. And that's probably the only one that was down there. What in the world is wrong with me, man? Oh, there's something else right there. This is much smaller. This is a jewel. Half the size. Now I know why I didn't think it was a jewel cichlid, because this is a little warmouth. And my camera is in the car charging. I'll go take a picture. And it's this one looks cichlidy. I think it's a mine. Yeah. Pretty little mine. Little 3-spot. I like to not have to even think about going to salt water and getting a pinfish to get to 10. Or, you know, whatever else I would need to do. Oh, that's a big mosquito fish. Come on, self-release. You are under obligation to self-release, mosquitoes. You have the arrangement. Like the pigeons. I wonder what's keeping them down. I guess there's some wood. I was like, there's no cover there. Oh, what is that? Oh, the guy. This is a jewel, right? Oh, another little warmouth. It's a nice one. Stop. It's like they don't understand English. 42% on the reactor. Alright. Oh, that was him again. Oh my gosh, how many freaking times am I going to hook that cichlid and not catch him? Oh, this is him. Oh, it's a him. I don't know if it's him. It's a pretty one. Kind that I almost never catch here. It's a 3-spot. A lot of spangling. I think that's an African jewelfish. Very nice. Nice blue face. Alright. Very nice. Alright. You know everything's going to be alright because Sister Christian just got cranked up on the car stereo. And at 8. Need 2 more. This is a bluegill, is not going to do it. Oh, that's a mosquito fish. Yeah, doggone it. Tell just from the bite. Oh, there we go. What is this little something? Bluegill. No, another little warmouth. Huh. Crazy. That might be, I think it's 4? Warmouth, I think. That's my PB most. Nice orange eye on this one. Yeah, that's just a warmouth. Alright, oh, well. I'm gonna try to put you back in there. There you go. Unbelievable. I just caught a fat sleeper. Are you kidding me? Something I tried to catch here for so many times, and any of those that fell off could have been a fat sleeper. I just put this on my life list, and here's another one. Are you kidding me? Wow. Unbelievable. Amazing. Wow. That's incredible. Maybe I'll stay here a little bit longer. Wow, dude. You rock. That's a species 9 I did not expect to get. I'd love to get my hook out of you so I can put you back safely. Oh, I feel it. Wanting to get out of there. There it goes. Look at that guy. Great Caesar's ghost.